Good morning. Welcome to the chapter number 1 More Peripherals. Here we are going to learn about biometric devices OMR and MIR. Magnetic strip card and smart cards, radio frequency identification, which is also known as RFID, and voice recognition system. These all are called peripherals. So here we are going to start to discuss about peripherals. A peripheral is any device attached to a computer in order to enhance its capability. For example, printers, scanners, microphones, speakers, and digital cameras are some of the common peripheral devices. Beside these, there are many more advanced peripheral devices that you might not use directly in your daily life, but which are still extensively used and have an important role to play in the working of organizations such as banks, examination boards, libraries, etc. So before moving ahead, I want to explain to you once again about the peripheral. Peripheral basically are the devices which you are going to attach with your computer. Suppose you want to listen song. So what you need to do? First you have to play songs, then afterward you need a speaker to listen it. For the output you need speaker. Suppose you clicked a photo from your mobile and you want to take printout of it. For it you need a printer to take printout. Similarly, to click your photo you need a camera. So these all are known as peripheral devices. So some of the devices which are very common, which we already discussed here, like printers, scanners, and microphones, speakers, and digital cameras. These are very common peripheral devices. Here in this class, we are going to discuss about the biometric devices, OMR and MIR first. Let's go ahead. Biometric devices. Biometric refers to the verification of living person based on their physical characteristics like the characteristics of the fingers, hands, feet, face, eyes, ears, etc. When we talk about the biometric devices provide automatic method for recognizing distinct features or action of an individual like iris recognition, recognition of your hand geometry, finger recognition, facial recognition, voice recognition, etc. For example, an employee can be allowed to enter a room if the shape of his right hand or his voice matches exactly. With the sample that's stored into the computer. Let's take another example. Nowadays you have a fingerprint scanner. So with the help of finger you can lock and unlock your mobile phone very easily. So this is an example of biometric use in nowadays. This in turn is possible only when he or she is the same person. So there is no chance of somebody else getting in instead of the right person. If a biometric system is to identify a person, it must have some sample of the relevant physical characteristics of the person to compare with. I mean to say that how they are analyzing that the person is the right person or not. So they are comparing with your identification with others. If it is matched, then you get access of it, otherwise they denies. Now next, OMR, optical mark reader. OMR detects the presence or absence of a mark in a specific position. Generally, marks are made in specific boxes using a pencil, ball pen, etc. OMR sheet generally you have seen in the test paper when you are going to give exams like Olympiad exams, Navodaya Talent Hunt, etc. So here you will get a sheet where you have to circle certain blocks A, B, C, D, etc. So why we are circling or shading it? because it detects the presence or absence of the mark in the specific position. If the mark is there, then it will analyze it, or it will get a call either the following answer is correct or not. Let's go through it. An optical mark throws a light beam in onto the document on which marks have been made and analyzes that reflect to decide the mark position. A mark position is decided as light is reflected from a marked cell than the unmarked cell. Now next, magnetic ink character reader, MICR. MICR machine reads the special characters printed like on a check in a standard font using an ink containing iron oxide. Numbers printed with this type of ink cannot be altered with normal ink, and alteration are ignored by the reader. Normally in a check, the check number, the branch code, the account numbers, etc. are printed using the MICR font. And when passed through a MICR reading machine, the correct details of the transactions are interpreted. MICR font E13 originated from USA and consists a character set having 10 numbers 0 to 9 and 4 symbols. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers and these 4 symbols. Total 10 symbols. Now here we are going to talk about magnetic strip card reader to read data from a smart card. The card is swiped through a magnetic card unit which converts the information into computer readable characters for further processing. ATM cards, credit cards like Visa, MasterCards, library cards, etc. are some of these type of cards. Here, on magnetic strip card, the data is permanently stored on a magnetic strip. The card often includes a name and signature of any other details like photo for added security. So generally you have seen your ATM cards. In an ATM card there is a black colored strip which is a magnetic strip card who stores your information there, and when you are going through the machine it will detect the information and give you access of the following transactions. Quick quiz. If you go to place where biometric device is installed which recognize fingerprints and you apply the thumb fingerprint impression, will it recognize you? If not, why? There is a question for you. If you are going to a place where biometric device is installed which recognize your fingerprints and you apply your thumb fingerprint impression, will it recognize you or not? The answer is yes, it will recognize you. Smart card reader. Smart cards are intelligent cards which have built electronic and memory storage such as RAM chip. Lots of data like name, address, blood group, type, etc. can be stored and updated on the RAM chip. When the card is passed through a reader, the details are read from its memory and are also updated in the memory like balance amount left after the transaction. Basically smart card we are using nowadays, you have a chip on your ATM card. If you see in your ATM card there is chip present there, so it is a smart card as well as a magnetic strip card. Now radio frequency identification, RFID. Radio frequency identification is an ID system that uses small radio frequencies identification device, which is also known as RFID tag, for identification and tracking purpose. An RFID tag is a small object such as adhesive sticker that can be attached to a product. An RFID tag consists of a chip, some memory and an antenna. An RFID tagging system includes the tag itself. Second, a host system application RFID transceiver for data collection, processing, and transmission. The RFID tag can be affixed to an object and used to track and manage inventory, assets, people, etc. For example, it can be fixed to cars, computers, equipments, books, mobiles, phones, etc. Some uses of RFID in pets. All pets chips to track and trace to keep the records of health and insurance. Work. It can be used to track, trace and record staff movements. Vehicles. With cars, vans and bikes tagged and chipped, vehicles could be set up to automatically to pay for road tolls, hiring and parking fees. RFID offers advantage over manual system or use of barcodes. The tag can be read if passed near a reader, even if it is covered by the object or not visible. LCD projectors or liquid crystal display projectors. LCD projectors are used when output is required on a big screen, instead on a monitor. The output is projected on the big white screen through the LCD projector. Normally, Normally, corporate presentations, multimedia educational programs which are presented to a large audience requires a LCD projector. It also has adjustment controls like focus, type of input, digital zoom, picture shifting, etc. on it. Voice recognition system. The voice recognition systems allows a user to use his/her voice as input. A voice recognition system is used to give commands to the computer such as opening a program, pulling down menus or saving work, or to dictate text into the computer. It is also used for commanding computers operated controls in a car or any other machine. A microphone is used to dedicate the speech term in a voice recognition system. So you heard about the Alexa. Alexa is an example of voice recognition system who traces your voice, then afterward they are following your command. It is a kind of AI network. Now next there is an activity. Write the full form of LCD, OMR, MICR and RFID. I am giving you time to do all these activities and later on we will discuss the question, the whole chapter. Thank you.